And rages on shadows route fast to begin rushing up is no money, no honey, Diamond Dane Rain in alongside Senora Nenita and Exquisite is the early trailer. No money, no honey by about 3 lengths followed by Shadows Wraps in second. Diamond Dane is running by Daryl alongside is Rain Me In. Senora Nenita on the outside and Exquisite as they round the 3/4 mile distance. No money, no honey by a length and a half, followed by Shadow Straps, the favorite in second. Diamond Dane racing in third alongside fourth is Senora Nenita and running by Daryl Rain Me in Exquisite is running in sixth as they pass the last 700. No money, no honey again by about 2 lengths. Shadow Straps is running in second. Diamond Dane, Senora Nenita. Exquisite's moving up by Darrell Rainway in. No money, no honey by only a length and up. Then here comes Shadow Straps. Is on the outside as they race the final corner. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. No money, no honey, and Shadow Straps on the outside. No money, no honey, still leading by a length and a half. And Shadow Straps on the outside. No money, no honey, by a length and a half. And finally, no money, no honey. Shadow Straps, Exquisite, Rain Me In, Senora Nenita, and number 1, Diamond Dane.
2-4. Ang ating nakitang dating